In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off screenshots on Steam in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to streamline your gaming experience or simply want to manage your storage space better, this guide will walk you through the steps to disable screenshots on the Steam platform. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Steam app. This is the hub for your gaming needs where you can manage your game library, connect with friends, and adjust settings like we're about to do. Make sure you have the app properly installed and updated to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once your app is open, you'll need to log in if you're not already signed in. Click on the login button, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your account name and password to access your Steam account. Remember, keeping your login credentials private and secure is crucial for protecting your account. After entering your details, you'll want to click on the sign in button to proceed. Now that you're logged into your account, you're ready to make the necessary settings adjustments. Next, direct your attention towards the top left corner of the app where you'll find a menu labeled Steam. Click on this menu to open a drop-down list of options. One of these options is Settings. Click on that to open the Settings window. In the Settings menu, there are various tabs on the left-hand side. You'll want to look for and click on the one labeled In-Game. This particular section contains all the configurations related to your gaming experience when you're playing on Steam. Once you're in the in-game section, you should see various options related to the Steam overlay, which is a feature that allows you to access friends, web browsing and more, all directly from your gaming session. To turn off screenshots, you'll want to specifically look for the option titled Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. This option needs to be unchecked. By turning off this feature, you're essentially disabling the functionality that allows for screenshots to be taken via the Steam overlay. And there you have it, you've turned off screenshots on Steam. By following these steps, you've successfully streamlined your gaming experience and managed your settings to suit your preferences. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you decide to re-enable the Steam overlay in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore other guides available online. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.